In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private board on Monday.com. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking to enhance your workspace management, this guide will help you secure your projects and collaborate more effectively within your team. To begin, you'll need to access the Monday.com website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Monday.com to get to the home page. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you'll see the Login button. Clicking this will lead you to the sign in options. You can choose to sign in with Google for a quicker process, or you can manually type in the email address associated with your account. If you're using Google Sign In, you'll be given a list of associated email addresses. Select the one you wish to log in with. After successfully logging in, we're going to move on to the next stage, which is to create your new board. On the left panel of your Monday.com workspace, locate the plus add button and click on it to create a new board. You should see an option labeled new board that you'll select from the list available. This is where your new board journey begins. Now it's time to give your board a descriptive name. This is an important step because the board's name should clearly convey its purpose, making it easier for your teammates to identify its content at a glance. Once you've chosen a name, you'll be required to select private as your board type. It's essential to choose this setting if you want to ensure that only specific users within your Monday.com account will have access to this board. This ensures that all sensitive information within is kept confidential amongst just the users you choose to share it with. Proceed by deciding what exactly you'll be managing on this board, like tasks, projects, or clients. This selection doesn't just organize your work, but also helps you and your team stay focused and productive with clear objectives. With everything set, click on the Create Board button to finalize and launch your new private board. If this happens to be your first private board, don't worry if a pop-up appears. It's a simple acknowledgement. Click OK, got it to proceed. Your private board is now ready, but what if someday you decide that it should be shared with a broader audience within your organization? Changing the board from private to shareable or main involves just a few more clicks. Go to the board, find the three dotted line beside your private board's name, and select Change Type. From there, choose your desired board type. And that's it, you've now mastered the art of creating a private board on Monday.com. Enjoy organizing your projects privately and efficiently.